Forgotten username recovery failed on Interactive Brokers fix. You try to recover your username on Interactive Brokers, but no matter what you do, it says account not found. It's easy to think something's wrong with the system, but most of the time, it's not. The surprising truth is, these recovery failures often come down to one small piece of incorrect information. Start by checking which email address you used to register. Interactive Brokers sends your account confirmation and statements to that address. Search your inbox for Interactive Brokers or IPCR. The emailed account that received those messages is your correct login email. If you're using your account number to recover, make sure you enter it exactly as shown in your account documents, no extra spaces or typos. Next, verify your region and account type. IPSOR has separate login portals for individuals, institutions, and demo accounts. If you're trying to recover through the wrong portal, the system won't find your username. Go to the main login page and choose the correct option before retrying recovery. Another tip: if you've changed your phone number or enabled two-factor authentication, make sure those credentials are up to date. Sometimes recovery fails because your verification device or phone number is no longer active. If all else fails, contact Interactive Brokers support directly. Have your full name, date of birth, and account number ready. Their support team can verify your identity and restore your login credentials securely. So before assuming your IPSOR account is gone, check your email, confirm the right portal, and make sure your details match exactly. With the correct information, recovery is simple and you'll be back managing your investments without missing a beat.